Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's Bitcoin update is urgent. We're seeing a surge in volatility, sharp breakdowns, and liquidation zones lighting up all over the charts. If you're a crypto trader, you need to hear this. Multiple key support levels are gone, technicals are screaming oversold, and the next move could set the tone for weeks to come. So let's break down what's happening and what you need to watch right now. First up, Bitcoin's breakdown. We've lost that crucial $103,000 support, and as soon as it broke, we fell down to about $101,500. Now, price is just above a vital Fibonacci level at $97,600. This could act as short-term support, but don't get your hopes up for a miracle bounce. On both the 4-hour and 2-hour charts, RSI is deep in oversold territory, which sometimes hints at a relief rally. Remember though, oversold doesn't mean bottomed out, it just means there's less room to fall before traders step back in. Now, let's zoom in on the lower timeframes. The 1-hour chart shows Bitcoin in a clear downtrend. There's a possible bullish divergence brewing. If price carves out a lower low, while RSI puts in a higher low, we could get a short-term bounce. But that's only a maybe right now. No confirmed divergence yet. Until we break above resistance, specifically the $101.5 thousand or $103.5 thousand levels, the bears are in control. Relief rallies can happen, but don't confuse them with full-on recovery. Looking at the bigger picture, it gets even more interesting. That symmetrical triangle pattern, it's broken down. Conservatively, we're looking at a price target around $95,500. And if things really unravel, maybe even $87,200, where old chart imbalances hang out. If Bitcoin breaks below $96K, $95K, we could see a fast move lower, chasing those downside targets. Now, onto liquidations. Most short-term liquidity is stacked above the current price, between $99.5 thousand and $100.5 thousand. So any bounce could be a stop hunt. But on the downside, liquidity clusters are sitting at $97.5 thousand and $93.3 thousand. If we drop further, those levels become magnets. The 1-year heat map even shows big liquidity over $111K, but honestly, that's out of reach unless the whole market mood flips. So what's the play? Caution is key. Downtrend is active on every major time frame. RSI hints at a short-term reset, but don't assume any bounce will stick unless we see a real shift in structure. If you're short from higher up, it might be time to trail stops and secure some profits. If you're flat, wait for a confirmed bullish divergence or a breakout above resistance before thinking longs. Bottom line, Bitcoin's on shaky ground. Support is breaking, liquidations are building, and bearish targets are in play. Volatility brings risk, but also opportunity. Just make sure you've got a plan. If you want more real-time updates like this, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.